What's up, guys? This is SN at Essential Art. About to do some little resin project here. I'll mix up these two bad boys. Got our hardener and our art resin. We're gonna make some fun. Alright guys, here's our painting. About to apply our Fox Rizzle art resin and make some beautiful art. This is the Starburst glitter, or metallic powder they call it. We're just gonna apply liberally. Try to get all of it out of our cup here. It is super sticky, so always use some gloves or something when you put it on. And it's not all that good for your skin, so just be safe. Alright, so now I'm just kind of shifting it, making sure it's evenly coating everything. Want a nice even coat on this. Definitely do this in a place where you can get the floor dirty, or if you got a tarp or something to put on the floor, because it's gonna drip all over. And I'm just trying to keep most of it on the canvas, at least until I've got most of it covered. And as you can see, it's just going everywhere. And yeah, it'll drip all over anything you got it set on, so definitely do it in a place where it doesn't matter, and clean up, minimal cleanup. Right now I'm just trying to get the last two corners. Alright, one corner left here. as you can see, it is just about fully coated. Just going to shift it down a little, try to even it out. And then it's just going to be set to cure for the next 24 hours. I mean, if you can, put down some sort of plastic coat like underneath, and you should be able to save like some of this. But obviously you're gonna have some loss. Most of this stuff is gonna run right off your painting. Alright guys, and that's about it. Alright guys, that's in here with Essential Art. So last thing you want to do is make sure you grab your torch so you can pop all these bubbles. And if you look real close, you'll see there's a bunch of bubbles in the art resin. What you want to do is just lightly run your torch over it. Try to pop all of them before it really cures. 'Cause after that, there's really no way to reverse the bubbles. And here is our completed piece, guys. You can see all these beautiful sparkles in here. Oh my god, it came out awesome. And that super glossy sheen. Whew. So beautiful.